How can you create a community in WhatsApp group? So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, just simply open the WhatsApp app. And after going into WhatsApp, you will get to see this option of communities. Just simply select the option of communities, and after that, you will get this option of start your community. Simply tap into start your community and then tap to get started. Then after that, you just simply have to name your community. Just simply choose the suitable name into here. I'm selecting demo because I'm making a demo community. Then you can add a community description into this section where you can describe what your community is about and what your rules are and those kind of things, and then tap to this green button. Now, after doing this much, your demo community or whatever your community's name is created successfully. This way, you can very easily create community into your WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.